this award mainly because he has a can-do attitude. Anytime you call him, I'm confident that the problem is going to get fixed. He prides himself on that. His famous words is, "Give me a second, I'll be back with my tools, and we'll get this fixed." We had an emergency that I needed maintenance for. I didn't have my radio, so I just immediately ran to the maintenance office. He was welding, and anybody who welds, it's a very physical, intense job. He literally dropped everything that he did or what was doing previously to come to solve my issue. That alone, that attention, just giving me that attention, it was very personable. That's stuff that a lot of times you have to kind of, hunt and search for people. That's not him.
He makes himself very available. You know he's there, you know whatever you need to have done, he'll do it. He works, he's an amazing worker. During the days, you have a lot of resources. You have a lot of people you can go to, whether it's managers, leads, bosses, whatever. There's always somebody you can go to. Even if you need questions answered, sometimes you can go to a shop down the road and they can help you answer questions. At night, everything's closed. People are in bed. Yeah, I remember it was literally just Friday night. It was something very simple. He was working on a bandsaw for us. And honestly, I didn't even know it was down. I just saw him working on it. He was changing the blade on it. I talked to him, he told me what he was doing, and he said, "Hey, you know what, I've been through a couple of blades on this. Give me a minute, I'm having a hard time finding the right blade." I said, "No problem, just get it taken care of, no big deal." So the night goes on, I catch back up to him about 15 minutes later, and he stops me again, and he says, "Hey, Hollywood, I'm sorry. I don't think we have the right blade. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to be able to get a blade for us. So let me check. There are 2 or 3 other blades in the office. Let me check. If I can get them to work, I'll get them to work." Even something he wasn't able to fix because he didn't have the resources. He gave it his 100%. He kept me up to date. He followed it up with an email to his bosses saying, "Hey, this is what's wrong with the bandsaw. We need to get it fixed." I don't care what it is, whatever he's working on, I know that Mike will give it his 100%.